Dear students, today we shall know about group discussion and its importance. Children, group discussion is commonly known as GD. It's a new tool. This tool is used by many organizations, institutions, companies in modern days to gauge or to measure whether the candidate has certain personality traits such as interpersonal communication skills, confidence in public speaking, team spirit, leadership abilities, social behavior, and problem solving skills. In this way, children, group discussion has become a very popular method of assessing a candidate's soft skills. It is a very creative and dynamic activity. Dear children, group discussion is a very important aspect of group communication. A group discussion is a formal discussion. This discussion is conducted on a topic among a group of 10 to 12 participants or candidates. The participants or the candidates sit together, meet face to face, exchange and share ideas freely, and try to reach a decision on a given topic. The participants think on the topic for a few minutes and then start the discussions. They begin to analyze the topic. The discussion is usually for 10 to 15 minutes. Each participant or the candidate is free to speak his or her views in a group discussion. Children, experts listen to the members and evaluate them. This is a discussion in group. More than one brain think and express their views and opinions on the given topic. Dear children, thus you can benefit yourself with different angles to think and consider on the same topic and include or absorb all these points while writing answers in the exam. Here are some other benefits of group discussions. Children, communication skills are improved in group discussions. Communication skills are very necessary to do well in competitive exams, of course. In a group, while sharing your opinion and exchanging views with the others, you will improve your communication skills naturally. Even group discussion helps in analyzing candidates' attitude towards fellow members through communication skill. Children, interpersonal skills, listening ability, humility, tolerance of others' opinion are developed due to group discussion. Group discussion helps in developing a candidate's leadership skill and managerial skill, problem solving attitude, creative thinking, and knowledge on multiple or diverse topics, and above all, the spirit of teamwork are also developed in this method. The examiner can evaluate both the personality traits and group skills of the candidates or the participants in group discussion. Basically, group discussion is a test based on situation. Yes, it's a test based on situation. Topics of discussion may be factual, social or political, abstract, or case study based. Dear children, GDs are used to select candidates for different courses or for jobs by the employees. Yes, remember, group discussions are used to select candidates for different courses or for jobs by the employees. Also, group discussions are one of the effective interactive methods of classroom learning system. Dear children, here are some expressions you can use to perform different functions during a group discussion. Please go through them in your textbook. How to express opinion, how to express agreement, disagreement, how to suggest, how to ask for opinion, how to interrupt, how to handle interruption, and how to conclude your opinion. Please have a look at them and feel happy to know them. Dear children, the purpose of group discussion is not to win an argument. The purpose of a group discussion is to help each group member explore and discover personal meaning of a given text or a topic through interaction with other people. Well, thank you all for your patient hearing. Wish you all a very happy Diwali. Stay safe, stay fine. All the best. Have a nice time.